everyone. Today we'll be talking about skincare part 2. Ignored my oil hair. So today we'll be talking about a lazy DIY that will help you get rid of your pimples, blemishes, and then the skin marks, the acne marks, and dull skin, dehydrated skin or flaky skin, and whatever the problems that you can see in your skin. After using this DIY, your skin will become bright, light, and you will love your skin. And it's a single step facial with 2 ingredients. So let's get started. So as you can see, this is my skin before facial. We'll see how it looks after facial. Let's go. So I have taken lemon juice and let's apply it on my face. If you are having a sensitive skin, then you can add honey, but for cleansing I would recommend people to use lemon, as it will remove all the dust and the oil from the face. Start rubbing it on your face. Once you have done this, wash your face with normal water, or it is better if you use lukewarm water, as that will also help you get open your pores and clean up your face as well. So I've done with cleaning my face. Let's go to the part of scrubbing and cleaning. For scrubbing, you need not use particles all the time, as for some skin it is harsh, so I don't use scrub particles. So I just use lemon and honey for scrub, and let's see how it's. For the next step and for the rest of the steps, you just need 2 things, that is lemon and honey. I have already made the decoction. You need 1 teaspoon of honey and 1 teaspoon of lemon juice. If you are of oily skin, then you can use this one, else if you have dry skin, use only 1/4 of lemon juice, of a teaspoon of lemon juice, and rest honey. So let's see how it's done. Just apply it on your face. So once you have applied it, it will work both as scrub and massage. So start massaging your face. To 10 minutes I am waiting, and you can see it has already dried up. So let's apply the final coat on. If you have applied in a thick layer, then you need not apply it again. I have applied it in a thin layer, so I am applying it again. So people who have something left over like me can reapply it on their face, else you can just go for the one that you have applied, and you can leave it for, massage it for 1 to 2 minutes, and then people who have already applied the entire thing on their face can simply wait for 5 minutes once to dry, and then massage it for 1 minute, and again then let it sit for 10 to 15 minutes, and then wash it off, and then you can apply the toner or moisturizer if required. massage it for a second time and then let it just sit like a face pack. So let's just wait for this to dry. It has been 15 minutes sitting on my face. Let's see how the face feels. So I have washed my face, as you can see. So let's apply toner and followed by orange gel. I don't need a moisturizer, but I will. So I have applied toner. And for the last stage, I am applying a little orange gel. I don't need it for moisturizing, but people who follow the step of moisturization, it is for them. So this is my face after 4 to 5 hours of doing that facial. You can see how much it is glowing. I have not used any kind of filter. Guys, if you like this video, hit the like button, share it with your friends, and subscribe to my channel and press the bell button to get notified whenever I upload a new video.